In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to enable Roblox Face Camera. Take note that not all game experiences here in Roblox features Face Camera, so make sure that the game you'd like to join supports both voice chat and camera feature. Now, if you're the game creator, then you can enable Face Camera to your game by doing this. First, open the game you created using the Roblox Studio. Once you're in the Roblox Studio, then click on the Game Settings under the Home tab. In the Game Settings window, select Communication and then here, enable these features by toggling on the buttons here. Save the changes you've made and then publish your game. Now, let's move on to the next steps. Open Roblox using your browser and then click on the gear icon on the top right corner and then select Settings in the pop-up menu. Take note that you need to verify your age first before you can use the voice chat as it doesn't allow 13 and below to use this feature. Once you're done verifying your age, then go to the Privacy and Content Maturity on the left side part. Select Communications here, and then click on the voice chat option, and then toggle on the button beside the Enable microphone. Next, go back to Communication and then click on the camera input. Toggle on the button beside the camera input to enable it. Once you're done with that, then you can try to join a game that supported both voice chat and camera. Join a game and then once you're inside of it, then click the Roblox logo at the top left to open the menu and then go to the settings section. Next, scroll down to video camera and then select the device you're using. And after that, you can now do emotes using your face. That's about it.